This is the review and unboxing of brand new Hot Wheels ID. I'm going to review the track, the app, and tell you how Mattel is bringing the virtual and physical world together.
Drivers, start your engines!
What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we're checking out a brand new set from Mattel called Hot Wheels ID. This is not your typical Hot Wheels track and cars, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. But first, if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for all your support and coming back for another video. And if this is the first time you're watching, please consider subscribing if you enjoy tech content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. So Hot Wheels came out with Hot Wheels ID about a couple weeks ago. These are very unique and very different types of cars that they are producing. Each car is equipped with an NFC chip, has a unique ID that there is only one car just like that, which means everything that car is doing, such as the speed, the laps, the stunts, and things like that, is always and forever and ever is being retained on the car. I also have a few extra cars. We're gonna go ahead and unbox those as well and put it together and show you how Mattel is bringing the virtual and physical world together. So let's get started with this monster box. First on the cover we see Hot Wheels ID, uniquely identifiable vehicles. And looks like in this particular set we get the Hot Wheels race portal. We're gonna talk about that. We get 2 Hot Wheels with the NFC chips, 1 Rally Finale and Super Blitzen, as well as 16 pieces of track that connect with USB. We're gonna talk about that as well. This is rated age 8+. With this particular set, looks like you can make over 20 different unique racetracks. We have these 2 trays. So there are just way too many pieces to this thing. Step 1, it's this instruction guide, I guess. Attention, this set is like no other track set you've ever played with before. It is insanely fast and powerful with a booster that can launch your cars at a speed of up to 900 miles per hour scale speed. Caution, skill and attention to the in the app instruction are required to control your speed and keep the cars on the track. Proceed with caution and get ready for the ride of your life. Oh, there we go. The main loop. Step 3, 4, and the main booster. There we go. All right, so this is everything we got in the large tray. So first we're gonna go ahead and download the Hot Wheels app, Hot Wheels ID. So the box is open, I have all the pieces out, I have the app downloaded and ready to assemble it. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. Many of you guys may already have existing Hot Wheels track available. The nice thing about these tracks are, even though they are connected through USB, they actually have included a couple of these adapters that you will be able to snap it on either one of these ends and then use your existing tracks. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you have an existing track, you are able to purchase this ID portal and then attach it to your existing track and also use it. So you do not have to have a smart track like this with all USB connected pieces to be able to take advantage of the new ID cars. So it looks like you can make the track longer with the added pieces that they have provided. So first I need to go ahead and scan a car and I place it on the portal, and as soon as I'll do that, we'll see it on the screen. So because it's connected, the app will show the exact track I have assembled here, and the moment I make any adjustment to it, it's gonna do the same thing in the game as well. So let's go ahead trying to first launch off track, not enough power. How about if I change these around? Use the manual pump in the booster to try to rev up, and you want to make sure do not redline this. If you give it too much power, it's gonna go off track, and if you don't give it enough power, it's probably gonna not make the jump or the loop. So you essentially have to find that sweet spot. So the maximum speed I've had with this car is 98, and what's nice, because of the NFC chip that is inside this car, that speed is embedded into this car forever. Alright, so the track itself is premium quality. It is really fun. You have loops, you have these corners, you have jumps. When you redline it, you can see it both on the booster itself and in the app. So the app has three main components to it. In the track, this is where you can actually play and interact with the track itself. You can have free play, or you can go through the campaign mode. In the campaign mode, the app will start with some very basic practice runs for you, starting with boosting, launching cars, and setting up different track modes. And this is how you get to advance and go through the game. As you go through these challenges and complete them, you get different ID points, and you can use those ID points to be able to upgrade and unlock different features in the game. Also, the other nice feature of the game that really brings the virtual game and the physical game together is whenever you run out of juice in app, you're able to come back and play the physical game, and through that you earn juices so you can go back and play the game. The game is definitely very fun to play, and what's nice is if you are an existing Hot Wheels fan and you have some tracks, you are able to use some of your tracks with the use of some adapters that they have. Also, you're able to purchase just the portal itself, so that way you can convert and do some of the features that this smart track can offer. When you play the physical game and complete the challenges in app, you're actually able to earn ID points, and you can use the ID points to upgrade your cars in the digital game, and then you can have a faster and stronger car.
Just can't change my emotions.
total of about 41 cars, I think, to collect right now, if I'm not mistaken. The game retails for about $180. Each of the cars retail about $7. I did not go over every single one of the features that the game offers. This was just an overview so you guys have an idea how the app experience can translate and connect to the physical game. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me some feedback. Let me know whether you liked the video or not. And as always, if you have not subscribed and you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.